I'm Calum Mortimer. I'm the head of software development at JWF. JWF are a measurement company, so we measure information for customers using instrumentation and software systems in order to display and visualize that information. I'm a full-stack software developer. I lead a team of developers here in JWF. We build scalable cloud computing architectures, which let our customers visualize data wherever they are, whether they're in the office or out on site on a secure platform. And we can build these architectures in the cloud that interface with all kinds of instrumentation, whether that's old instrumentation that's out on site, legacy instrumentation, or new instrumentation that we put in. We can interface to those instruments and create dashboards and visualizations and reporting of all of the different kinds of things that instrumentation can measure. There's quite a lot of companies out there that supply instrumentation. There's also quite a lot of companies that claim to do data. But what we're trying to do here is we have a software team here. We're also 60 plus years, we've been suppliers of instrumentation. And so we can provide a turnkey solution from the actual physical stainless steel instruments that are on site and visual information that you can view anywhere in the world. The interesting thing about the kind of work that we're doing with consumption dashboards is we're working with quite a lot of clients that we haven't traditionally worked with. So we've got our oil and gas producers, we've got distilleries and food and beverage companies that we've traditionally worked with. But more and more, we're trying to minimize consumption in the utilities space, water, electricity, consumer goods manufacturers, and public services like hospitals or schools. We worked with a heavy user of steam on site using ultrasonic steam flow meters and providing a dashboard visualization for steam. And we gave them like a very simple, clear view of the process, which highlighted how much steam that they use on site. We've provided complete mimics of the steam process as the steam moves through all the lines on site. We've got a geomap, which shows like all of the steam meters scaled by steam consumption percentage across the site, so they can see how much steam different buildings on site are using and how they compare to other buildings. So if they have a particular building which is a heavy consumer of steam, then they might choose to rip steam out of that building and introduce a new heating system there. So that gives them the kind of information that they need to be able to inform that decision further down the line. The dashboards that we create are very easy to use. They're highly responsive. You can view them on tablets, mobile phones, desktops, anywhere in the world you like, anywhere with a login. You can pan, zoom, interrogate data, take CSV exports offline to go through that data in Excel, interrogate it further if you want. There's configurable refresh rates on the dashboard, so we can bring in any new data that appears from the site. We can bring it back onto the dashboard once every 5 seconds if we want to. Our clients have a vast range of compliance concerns and net zero concerns with data, whether that's reducing your energy consumption for ISO 50001. You've got SEPA requirements in there. Certain manufacturers are having to produce a product and say, this is the carbon footprint on that one specific product. So our data gives companies visible proof that they are reaching those targets, that they are bringing their consumption down and that they will achieve net zero in due course.